Hey guys, welcome. These are your instructions for what you need to do to finish working on the Gizmo assignment. I'm going to open this up in a new tab. The first thing you need to do when you go to it, like I said, is you need to come up here where it says click on Login Enroll and check your Schoology messages, okay, because I'm going to send you a Schoology message with your login information. What I suggest you do is when you enter it, log in, it will give you the option to save that information, that username and password, so you do not have to enter it every single time. As you notice, I didn't just type mine in, it was already there. You also need to open, inside that folder, you also need to open the Elevator Lab assignment, which will bring you to this document. I've scrolled down, and I want to give you guys some guidance and information really on activity B and moving further down, activity C. Activity A, there are instructions further back in the last folder. You can go back and find that if you need it. But for activity B, it gives you instructions step by step what to do. It takes time. This is not super hard, but it does take time, effort, and concentration. It tells you what to do. You're going to now move the elevator up and down to deliver people where they need to go. So you're going to set it with people. You're going to have this set to drive. Moving the elevator up will move it up. If you want someone to get on the elevator, you need to click stop so that the doors open and the person can get either on or off. Okay, so I can move the elevator up, make it stop, and you notice the person gets on. I can then continue to move the elevator up until I get all the way up to the 6th floor, and I can make it stop. I can then move somebody down, pick up the next person, and then bring that person all the way down to the basement. You need to keep playing around with it until you can get all of the people where they need to go. Okay, play around with it here. It gives you the instructions for how to fill in the information, and you're also going to need to take a screenshot, and then it says right click on it to copy and paste. So I can copy the image, I can then go to my document, I can click where I need it to go, okay, and I can do Control V to paste the document right in there. Okay, I'm going to undo that so that yours is not there. Okay. Keep working on it. Go through all of the instructions that are in there. This assignment is from a long time ago. I set the due date as next Tuesday. Okay. Work on this. If you have any questions, reach out. Don't hesitate, and I will help you guys with whatever you need to do. Okay. In activity C, now you're going to be programming the elevator to do what you want it to do. So for this, you're going to reset. You change this elevator to program, and your controls change down here. Now you're going to make the elevator do whatever you want. I can make it go up. I can make it go down. You can make it sit. You can change the way it moves. And then when you're doing that, it will control what the elevator is doing. The elevator will follow the path that you have set for it. There are some activities that it tells you exactly what it wants you to set. It'll tell you to set certain things. If you want to try these things out, you can take those little blocks and you can make it look like whatever it does. Activity C is a lot like what we were doing in class on Wednesday. So you can go back and look at the notes from Wednesday, which are in the folder, and look at the notes that we did in class. Okay. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out. Good luck, and I will see you soon.